Hey guys, welcome back to the Shabby Shack. In this video, we're making chicken and dressing. We're going to be using some homemade biscuits and a pan of homemade cornbread. We're going to be chopping up a whole medium-sized onion. We're going to be shredding 2 chicken breasts. You can use more. Get this pulled apart and torn up good, because this is going to go right in to our dressing. Next, we're going to crumble up about 5 or 6 regular size homemade biscuits. Get these crumbled up really well. Then we're going to crumble in 1 full pan of homemade cornbread. And we want it crumbled up really well also. Get them mixed together well. Then we're going to add our onion. We're going to add our chicken. Then we're going to add some chicken broth. I'm using about 4 cups, but the first 2 cups of chicken broth, I'm adding about a teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon paste to my chicken broth. It's been in the fridge and it's cold, so it takes me a minute to get this mixed up. Okay, we're going to add a good heaping tablespoon of sage. Then we're going to use a good heaping tablespoon of poultry seasoning. Now you can use some fresh celery in this, but my husband don't like celery, so there ain't going to be none in this. There we go, our heaping teaspoon of poultry seasoning. Now it's time to mix this up good. We're going to get this seasoning mixed through it before we put our chicken broth in here. Get them spices all mixed in well, the chicken and the onions. Just get everything mixed up in there well. We're going to preheat our oven at 400. Now we're going to take our chicken broth. I'm using Swanson's. And remember, I added about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of that Better Than Bouillon, depending on your taste. I'm going to start mixing this up. And our second 2 cups of chicken broth won't have the paste in it. Alright, we're going to get this all mixed up, and this is going to go into a greased baking pan. So now that it's mixed up, it's going into our pan, y'all. Just going to dump it in there and push it out evenly all throughout the pan. And I'm going to bake this on 400 for about 30 to 35 minutes. Like I said, add more chicken, add more onions, add celery if you want. It's really dependent on what your taste is. Alright guys, here it is out of the oven after baking for about 35 minutes. I'll serve it with some cranberry sauce and some turkey gravy. Y'all remember to like and follow the Shabby Shack and come back for more videos. And give this dressing a try. It's really easy and it's really delicious.